deadly invading force called the Hiss. One Hiss-corrupted Mr. Tomasi is an optional boss fight in Remedy Entertainment's recent defending
Oh my god.
Fuck, man. Tomasi is easily the hardest boss in the entire game, being almost completely immune to your launch powers and dodging most bullets that you fire in most directions. You will continue lying around the room and accosted by dozens of additional enemies that the boss summons into the fight.
Oh, fuck this, dude. Oh my god.
Pops up to kill you in one hit. Doing so through sheer proximity.
Holy fuck, car.
Quick enough. Combined with the fact that the boss can easily take you down in 2 hits as well, this whole thing is just massively frustrating, but incredibly satisfying to finally punch through.